subscribe, hit the notification bell for more upcoming content. So I was gonna post a video yesterday for a haul video and a shadow, but I was just don't have the energy. And I got a new game. I want to show you guys. So, turn off the silent mode because of copyright. I want to show you guys what it looks like. It's called Love in Deep Space. It's a really fun game. It's like an anime game, so I'm gonna show you guys on my home screen on the game. It's loading, so hold on just a second. So this is what it looks like on the screen right here. So this is, who is he? Actually, let me this is Ralph, and I don't know when it's seen in actual, I can't pronounce his name. And then Silas. So these are all the characters on the game right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So I have to have unlock 2 characters on the game. So obviously my favorite has to be Raffrey, and then Silas, and then Caleb. These are hard to pronounce the names, so these are the ones. And then you can actually change his clothes. So this is what it looks like. This is what he looks like. I just want to show you guys the characters. And then yeah, this is what I've been playing on the game. I've been watching like another anime, different games. And then let's get to the shout out and go on the haul video. So the shout out, I'm gonna go to my, so go subscribe to Jana. I put her channel up here. Go subscribe to her. She's almost at 500 subscribers. No, 500 subscribers, sorry. And then so yeah, so now to the haul video. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I just had like no energy. So these are the markers I got. The markers. So I'm gonna show you guys the markers. If you guys want these, I'm gonna put the link below. Don't pay attention to my hair, it's just weird. And then this is really cool because it comes with extra stuff from the markers, like from the pins, and it comes with, so this is the name, and it comes with this, and this is really cool too. It can like this, and I had to reorganize these because they're not in order because I looked. So I already used some of these, so this is, here I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys one of my trainers that I actually did. This is the Bible karma number, and I actually did. So this is the markers that I use, and turns out really cute. I actually like, and I used the other one too. It's a little bit messy because it's like paint. So, and I think this one how it turns out as well. And it turns out really cute. So yeah, and then I had to reorganize this. I'm going back tomorrow when I go live because I'm gonna go live at this time of night. If you guys want these, I will put the link below in the description below. It comes like this one. I don't know how much it costs me, to be honest. This one is 192 acrylic marker set, and this is what it looks like actually. And you have to shake it well because, for example, if I shake this well, yeah, I open gently. So the paint is not, it's not coming off, but you have to be really careful. So, so some of these are not in order, so I'm gonna do this tomorrow when I go live. And I really do apologize for the late delay pause video slash a shoutout video, because like yesterday I didn't have like no energy, and like I said, I was busy. There will be more summer diaries coming soon, so if you guys want these, get them on Amazon. I heard these are really good acrylic card markers, and it's a really good idea for like even like another cheat sheet marker cheat, what do you call it? So yeah, I just want to come on here that I want to go live tomorrow. I was gonna go live, but it's too late where I'm from, and so yeah. I'm going to join this mini haul slash shout out video. I'll put a picture right here. So go and subscribe to her. She's always at 500 subscribers. So yeah, if you guys want these, go get them on Amazon. And so yeah, and so look, that is actually paint right there. It's actually paint. So, and then I'm gonna get my nails done, so I'm gonna show you guys what nails I'm gonna show you before I end up my time. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Where are my pictures? So I'm gonna do these from the game. There's this one, and then there's this one I'm gonna do from the game. These are like a little vampire gothic, and this one is really cute as well. I put them on my community tab, so I don't know which one I want to do, but I might do them on Tuesday. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul video slash shout out video. And I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know when. I'll let you guys know. So yeah, you guys have a happy, is it Saturday? And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye guys.